Dashain is the longest and the most auspicious festival in the Nepalese annual calendar, celebrated throughout the country by the Hindu population with great enthusiasm. It signifies the victory of good over evil, remembrance of valor, and the bond of family traditions. The festival typically lasts for 15 days, starting from the bright lunar fortnight and culminating on the full moon day known as Kojagrat Purnima. Every village, town, and city is enveloped in joy during this period, as people from all walks of life come together to celebrate. Preparations begin weeks in advance, with markets bustling with shoppers, homes undergoing thorough cleaning, and new clothes being purchased for the occasion. The festival officially begins with Ghatathapana, which marks the installation of the holy urn and the beginning of the elaborative rituals. This is followed by days of worshipping the goddess Durga, recounting her victory over the demon Mahishasura and seeking her blessings for protection and prosperity. Dashain also involves widespread animal sacrifices, predominantly of goats and buffaloes, offered to the goddess as a symbol of reverence and to ward off negative energies. Kite flying is a common activity during Dashain, filling the skies with vibrant colors and bringing out the child in every individual. However, the focal point of Dashain is Tika and Jamara, celebrated on the 10th day known as Vijaya Dashmi. On this day, elder family members apply tika, a mixture of rice, yogurt, and vermilion, on the foreheads of younger relatives along with freshly sprouted jamara, barley shoots, while bestowing their blessings. Tika ceremonies are often elaborate, with extended family relatives traveling from far and wide to come together. This day underscores the importance of family ties and imparts a sense of unity and belonging. Fulpadi, observed on the 7th day, is another significant event where a procession of sacred plants and flowers is carried to the Hanuman Doka Royal Palace in Kathmandu. The event holds both religious and cultural importance, symbolizing the end of all evils and the onset of a prosperous time. Dashain retains its vibe up to the full moon day, and by the end of the festival, people are reinvigorated and filled with positivity, ready to take on the challenges of life with renewed spirit. While the religious aspects of Dashain are deeply rooted in tradition, it also serves as a time for social reconciliation, fostering peace and understanding among communities. More than just a festival, Dashain represents a collective heritage, the continuation of customs, and the joyous spirit of Nepal.